Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make this miniature paper vase or pot and also the paper succulent plant. So the first thing I did was to look for a template to use for the flower vase, and for this one I used a popcorn box template because I just think it is cute. And here you can see all sorts of templates that you can use. Just make sure you choose something that is not complicated and difficult to work with. So just download the template and then resize it in your computer, or if you have some special app you can also use that, and then print, and you can manually cut it, or you can also use a cutting machine. So here's now the resized and cut popcorn template, and I'm going to fold them and glue them together. So just follow the slit to make the line, and you can use a steel ruler or anything that is thin and strong to use as a guideline. And then apply glue to the folded edge and make sure to hold it for a few seconds just to ensure that it is holding together. And then after that you can apply glue to the bottom part, and again try to hold them for a few seconds to make sure that they don't just open. So here I made several pieces and in several sizes. And then paint your flower vase with the color that you like. And here I am using a chalk powder blue color. And I do apologize that you cannot see it pretty well. I am using natural light and the sun is really shining bright. And after painting, you have the option to decorate it with anything you like. You can use whatever material for this one. And for me, I just used this self-adhesive paper border because it was small enough and it fits perfectly with the vase. And then here I also use a different size of self-adhesive paper border. So just like our popcorn box, we are going to look for the succulent plant template, and go ahead, open your web browser and Google your succulent plant template. And here you will see lots of templates, and some of them are for free and some you'll have to pay. The best place to look for the template is in Pinterest, but just be careful because again some of them are free, some of them are paid. And here I'm just gonna show you quickly the already edited template, and I am using the Silhouette Studio app to edit the template, and this is how it looks like. You can also use Word documents to edit the template, it's not a problem. And then after you cut them, you can paint them, and for this I just stick them to a masking tape so they won't move during painting. So here I am using an airbrush to paint them, but you can also paint them manually or even with spray paint, so it's not a problem. I have tried painting it with brush and also spray painted, and it did work really well. And then after the paint is dry, I also use soft pastel to color the sides and to give it a little bit of reddish or purplish color on the side. So here I am using the red wine soft pastel. So just smear the sides, the edges with the color, and then you can brush the excess off. And then next we are going to glue them together, and before gluing we are going to press them down on a piece of sponge like so. Then it will be easier to separate them later. And for the gluing part, we are going to glue first the biggest and then going to the smallest leaves. And then press the whole plant again on the sponge so it will curve the leaves. And then use the tweezer to separate the leaves, especially on the upper part, so that it will create a 3D look and not just flat. So next we are going to mix soft pastel and glue together, and I'm using here a dark brown and reddish brown soft pastel to serve as a soil. And also you need to fill the vase with some paper or styrofoam before you put the glue mixture. And then once you are satisfied, you can put your paper succulent on top of the glue mixture. And there you have it, your paper flower vase and also your paper succulent plant. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy this mini tutorial, and I hope you can apply this to your future projects. Thank you and have a great day. Bye bye.